Manipur government on May 20 initiated strict measures against unauthorized changes to place names following a recent incident involving the alteration of the name of the historic Thangjing. The state government directed the registration of a zero FIR after a gate bearing the name Thangting and attributed to the Kuki National Front Military Council was erected at Thangjing Hill, a protected site of historical significance. According to the government, Thangjing falls within the Chorchandpur Khopum Protected Forest, as per a notification dated September 17, 1966 under the Indian Forest Act 1927. The hill was declared a protected site by the Art and Culture Department of Manipur under the Manipur Ancient and Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1976. This unauthorized name change violates provisions of the newly enacted Manipur Names of Places Act 2024 and Section 4 of the 1976 Act. The government has emphasized that such actions are illegal and will be met with strict enforcement measures. In a related development, Manipur's Chief Minister Biren Singh tweeted about the incident stating, "The state government has immediately taken up measures to book any group of individuals involved in changing any existing names without approval of the government." Under the Manipur Names of Places Act 2024, a case has also been registered for changing Thangjing, which is also a protected site, to Thangting. Authorities have requested the registration of a zero FIR at the Imphal police station to address this violation, underscoring the importance of preserving the historical and cultural integrity of the state's landmarks.